In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign your own document in Docusign. Whether you're signing a contract, a form, or any other PDF, I'll take you through each step so you can feel confident doing it on your own next time. First, make sure you're logged into your Docusign account and you're on the home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing in, where you can start new documents, check envelopes you've sent, and manage anything waiting for your signature. From the home dashboard, start by opening the document you want to sign. If you already see it listed in your recent documents, you can select it from there. If not, you may need to upload it first by choosing the option to upload a file from your computer or a connected storage service. Once the document is uploaded and visible on your home screen, you're ready to move on. Now, look for the option that says Sign a Document. This is usually easy to spot on the main dashboard because it's one of the core actions in Docusign. Click Sign a Document to tell Docusign that you want to sign this file yourself rather than sending it to someone else. After choosing to sign a document, you'll be taken into the document view. Here, you should see your file displayed page by page. Take a moment to quickly scroll through and confirm you've opened the right document. When you're ready, click the Sign button. This will start the signing process and let you place your signature onto the document. At this point, Docusign will ask you to place your signature. If you've used Docusign before and already set up a signature, it may appear automatically as an option. If not, you'll be prompted to create one. You can usually choose from a pre-styled signature, type your name and let Docusign generate a signature, or draw your own using your mouse or trackpad. Pick the option that feels right for you and confirm it as your signature. With your signature ready, click on the area of the document where your signature needs to go. Docusign will place your saved signature in that spot. If you need to adjust it, you can drag it to fine-tune the position or resize it slightly so it fits neatly on the signature line. If there are multiple places where you need to sign or initial, repeat this process for each location, clicking where you need a signature or initial, and placing the appropriate field. Once you've added your signature everywhere it's required, take a brief moment to review the entire document, make sure all the signature fields are filled, any required initials are placed, and that everything looks correct and complete. It's always better to double check now than to find out later that something was missed. When you're satisfied, click Finish. This is the final step that tells Docusign you're done signing. After you click Finish, Docusign will process your signed document. Depending on your settings, you may see a confirmation screen, have the option to download a copy, or receive a confirmation email with access to the completed legally binding document. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully signed your own document in Docusign, from opening it on the home dashboard to placing your signature to finishing the process.